or whatever you call yourself, why are you blaming Biafrans for your misfortune? Why? Why are you blaming them for your misfortune? You born mad old cargo. I thought after your rehabilitation, you will be eating from your mouth. I never knew you're still eating from your anus. You she-goat. A mad woman like you. You were born mad. Your mommy born you like just born you mad. You're born mad. So that is why even at this age, you're still mad. And that's why you continue your madness till you die. You will die you will die as the mad woman you are. Over your dead body for Biafrans. Over your dead body, you're measuring Biafrans in your mouth. You mad goat. Mad she-goat. Everywhere you come on, every time you come on social media, saying all sorts of rubbish. Are you the only mad person? Are you the only mad she-goat? If I should ask you, are you the only mad she-goat? I thought you should be eating from your mouth after your rehabilitation. I never knew you're still feeding from your anus. You need to go back to where you're coming from. You need to go back to where you're coming from. Every time you talk about this, every time you talk about that, every time you talk about this, talking about shit. Last 2 weeks or whatever, you were talking at Abakari's gasket that if Nigerians notice any blood, if there's blood, then what stops you from going to lick the hell out of the blood? What stops you? And you're still talking. Now it's not enough for you. You're talking about Nnamdi Kanu. Is Nnamdi Kanu your father's age mate? Since what he's doing now, your father could not do it to Yorubas. What he's doing, your father, he's late or he's still alive, he could not do it to Yoruba race. He could not do it to Yorubas, to the Oduduwas. But he is doing it to the Biafrans. Who the hell do you think you are? Last time you came on crying that they have people like you in Nigerian society. You don't have work, you don't have job. The federal government cannot. Who will work with a mad person? Somebody who was born mad. Who will work with you? We can never support APC failed administration. We rather support Biafra to get their referendum. So if you think you can come out and be talking about Nnamdi Kanu, talking about this person, talking about Biafrans, they are not taking you anywhere. This administration knows you're mad and they cannot offer you anything. Nobody will offer you anything. They can't offer you anything because they know you're mad. Somebody like me, instead I support this failed administration. I rather keep agitating for Biafra referendum because they are far better ahead than this failed administration. Administration of killers. Nothing. What are you talking about? An old idiot like you calling Biafrans? Is Biafra your father's age mate? That Obasanjo was there, he didn't run away. Shewere was there, he didn't run away. This person was there, you are there. You are talking, you're including a mad person on the list. Who are you? Who the hell do you think you are? That you will come out and blast whatever shit that is coming out of your mouth. Then you think people like us will keep quiet for you. Who the hell do you think you are? Who are you? Is it from your father's house that will see the paradise or that will see the heaven? Who are you? Who born you? Useless, mad dog. Okay, all these people you mentioned, how many of them did they went to their house to go and kill them? Nnamdi Kanu ran away. Of course, he ran away for his safety. It's only a tree. You will tell a tree that you cut down a tree, then the tree will stay there without moving. You won't tell a human being you're coming to kill him, then he will stay. And you're talking shit. Last time different things. You called the widow's mother, she was this, she was that, she died out of drugs, this. You that is mad, your own mother born you with madness. You were born, they brought you out. She brought you out from her womb with the lineage of madness, with madness of blood of mad person in you. And you are calling Biafran's names, so you shall not live to see Biafra come.